In question number 2, the problem is describing a triangle ABC. It says that angle C is the right angle. So if I draw that, I know I'm going to have a right angle. This is a triangle. I know that the right angle is angle C. That means that this side over here is going to be the little c, because the letters are always opposite each other in the triangle. Now, the sides that I make A and B, they don't really matter that much. If I say this one's A, then this has to be side A. And if I say this one's B, then this has to be side B. So if I plug in what I know, I've got that side A is 6, and also that side B is 13. So the first thing I would do to figure out side C is that I would use the Pythagorean theorem. And so this is going to be the square root of 6 squared plus 13 squared. I guess this is kind of confusing. I did off of these numbers here, just as clear. So if I do 6 squared plus 13 squared, I'll just put that in a calculator. I actually haven't remembered that this one goes out to be 14.3. So that's just going to go in this way for side C is 14.3. Then to get side A, I know that this is the opposite side, and this is the adjacent side. And so I've got in SOHCAHTOA, opposite and adjacent, that goes with tangent. And so when I set this up, what I can say is that the tangent of angle A is equal to the opposite side, 6, over the adjacent side, 13. And then the way I evaluate this, if I'm trying to find the angle, is I use an inverse tangent of 6 over 13, and that's going to get A by itself. So then if I just go back to my calculator, I've got second tangent, which is the inverse tangent, of 6 over 13. And I get 24.8 if I round that. So that's for side A, is 24.8 degrees. And then for side B, I know that angle A plus angle B has to be 90 degrees. Right? Because it's a right triangle. So if this is already 90, then these two added together have got to come out to be 90 degrees. Well, if angle A is 24.8, then that means that angle B has got to be 90 minus 24.8, which is going to be 65.2 degrees. So that's going to go here, 65.2 degrees. And then angle C was given. That's what was right here. So angle C is a right angle. That's 90 degrees.